Welcome to the video on Amazon Track, a perfect companion for self-shipping orders. As you know, being an Amazon seller, you can deliver your self-ship orders in two different ways, either through third-party courier partners or by your own delivery associates. So if you're using your own delivery associates, then use the Amazon Track app to mark pickup, delivered, reject, and undeliverable scans on the orders. This will allow customers to track orders instantly and thus improve customer satisfaction and encourage them to give feedback. Let's start by updating your business address in Buy Shipping Preferences page on Seller Central, which is a one-time activity as it is an important step to ensure you are enrolled into the self-delivery program. To do so, go to Seller Central, hover over the Settings tab and click on Account Info. Now look for the Shipping and Returns section and click on Buy Shipping Preferences. You will need to hit the Cancel button in the Manage Your Ships from Location section and click Add New Address and add the address that is updated in Manage GST Detail page, and you are ready to self-ship your orders. Let's now look at how to process self-ship order. From the menu on the left, click Manage Orders and select Self-Ship tab. Open the Unshipped section here and select Self-Deliver on the order that you want to fulfill. Enter your package dimensions, then click to generate the barcode, which is the shipping label that your delivery associate will scan using the Amazon Track app to update order status. Now, are you wondering how to get this Amazon Track app? Let's quickly get started. Grab the phone to be used for deliveries, head over to the Google Play Store and search for Amazon Track and click Install. Delivery associates can use their phone number or email address to log into the app, but note the phone number should be registered on Amazon as a customer. If the delivery person is an existing user from the Solo app, the same credentials will work on Amazon Track app as well. In case they are not, then they can create an account immediately by entering their name, phone number and password. Once signed in, choose your language and you're ready to deliver. Please note, to complete a delivery personnel needs to complete both the pickup and delivery scans mandatorily. To update pickup scan on the app, tap on the scan button on the home page to begin scanning or on the top right corner. Once the camera scanner opens up, scan the shipping label of the delivery order. If there are more than one packages to be marked out for delivery, you can scan them one by one and click on Confirm to continue. All orders will be added to your itinerary for the day. Once you've made your itinerary, you can click on any of the orders to open up the order details page, which will have customer information, name, address. Then here, you get an option to call the customer. At the bottom, you get a button to mark Successful Delivery and here a button to mark Unsuccessful Delivery. Tap on the order which you want to deliver from the Order Details page and click on the Scan for Delivery button at the bottom. Then the camera will open up. Place the shipping label within the square of the camera. Now you will be asked whom you are delivering the product to. Mark the relevant person and complete the delivery. In case if you are not able to deliver the order, you need to mark a reason so as to keep the customer and Amazon informed. There can be two types of unsuccessful delivery scans, either undeliverable scan or reject scan. If you are unable to reach the customer's address and they are not contactable, then navigate to the Order Details page, double-check the customer name and address. Click on Unable to Deliver and select one of the reasons between Customer Not Available or Missed Delivery or Unable to Locate Address or Unable to Locate Customer. And reattempt delivery on the same day or next day after confirming with the customer. If customer has rejected the order at doorstep, then select one of the reasons between rejected, not required, or rejected, order mismatch, or rejected, damaged. Then return the item to seller as no more delivery attempts required. This wraps up our video on how to process self-delivery orders and how to use the Amazon Track app. Thank you and happy selling!